Buying a MIDI keyboard is an exciting decision that can open up endless possibilities for your music production. But before you take the plunge, there are a few things you should know to make sure you're getting the perfect fit for your needs. First, think about how many keys you'll need. If you're just starting out or you focus on beat making and portability, a compact model with 25 to 37 keys might be all you need. These are lightweight, easy to carry, and great for smaller setups. On the other hand, if you're composing full songs or want to explore more musical complexity, a keyboard with 49 to 61 keys gives you more range. For pianists or advanced players who want a full range of expression, an 88-key model will give you that authentic piano feel. Key feel is another big factor to consider. If you're looking for something light and fast for quick melodies or electronic music, synth-action keys are ideal. If you want something closer to the feel of a traditional piano, semi-weighted keys strike a nice balance. Fully weighted keys are the way to go if you're aiming for the most realistic and expressive experience. No matter the type, make sure your keyboard has velocity-sensitive keys. This means it responds to how hard or soft you press, which adds emotion and realism to your playing. Next, think about the features you'll use. Many MIDI keyboards include drum pads, which are perfect for creating beats or triggering samples. Knobs and sliders are great for controlling effects like reverb or adjusting the volume of virtual instruments, while transport controls, play, pause, record, can save you time by letting you control your DAW directly from the keyboard. These extra features can really streamline your workflow, so choose a model that has the tools you need. It's also important to make sure your keyboard is compatible with your DAW, digital audio workstation. Most MIDI keyboards work with popular software like Ableton Live, FL Studio, Logic Pro, and Pro Tools, but some integrate more smoothly than others. In fact, some keyboards even come with pre-mapped controls or bundled software, which can be a huge bonus, especially if you're just getting started. Don't overlook portability and build quality either. If you'll be taking your keyboard to gigs or need to save space, a lightweight and compact model is ideal. However, if it's going to stay in your studio, you might prioritize sturdiness and durability instead. Finally, think about your budget. Affordable keyboards under $200 are perfect for beginners. They give you the essential features without overwhelming you. If you're looking for more functionality, mid-range models priced between $250 and $400 often offer additional keys, better build quality, and enhanced features like more customizable controls. For professionals, premium keyboards starting at $500 deliver top-tier performance, advanced functionality, and premium bundled software for serious music production. Ultimately, buying a MIDI keyboard is about more than just picking the most expensive model. It's about finding the one that aligns with your style, workflow, and goals. Whether you're a beginner exploring the basics or a seasoned professional looking to expand your setup, the right MIDI keyboard can inspire creativity and help you bring your musical ideas to life. Take your time, think about what you need, and choose a keyboard that feels like an extension of your creative vision.